What's going on, everyone? It's your boy. Momo Trades. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my goodness. This market does not want to go down. It keeps going up every single day, it seems now. So we're only going to be looking for long setups. Maybe we'll get one right here. Will we get one right here? Will we? Off a potential channel? We do have some news coming out in about 10 minutes now. Sorry for the little delay. I had to go use the bathroom. So we're already a couple minutes into the market being open, but at 6:45 Pacific, 9:45 Eastern, we're going to have some news come out, some flash services PMI. So we'll see what the day has in store. But for now, definitely only looking for long setups. Like I said, this market does not want to go down. I don't know what's in the water. I don't know what's in the food everyone's eating, but they're in a buying mood. So we're not gonna say otherwise. We're not gonna go against the grain. We want to look for long setups, but at least in the overnight, it doesn't look too bullish. It doesn't mean we're not bullish, but it just looks a little disjointed compared to after the FOMC announcement yesterday. That was back here. I mean, we went basically from right around 52.44 all the way up to 53.17. Oh my god. It's about a 70-80 point move. Like, it's nothing, man. What is it? 44. Call it to 53.15. So 15 plus 55. Yeah, about a 70 point move. Oh my god. But it's hard to fit any trend channel, at least on the day's price action. Right now, it doesn't look like a very strong uptrend. To me, kind of looks like we had this move up, go into the overnight, obvious break, and then a move to a new high. So maybe prices will start to reverse, but just as I say that, we're getting a nice strong push above the EMA. So it's possible we're starting a new trend like this, but it's very early. Very, very early to tell what is going on. Could be something like that as well. Hope everyone's doing well on this beautiful Thursday. This does look like a nice trade right here. If it was a higher low, it's technically not a higher low. I mean, these two bars made a double bottom, but we had the move down, break, new low. I was looking for a potential higher low, but we didn't quite get it. But we're pushing up. We're pushing up strongly. News in about 7 minutes. News in about 7 minutes. Where will we go? Where are we going? I think we're probably gonna get up to 1375 new high of the day if I had to say. But honestly, this trade looks like a nice resemblance of a higher low. Nice resemblance of a higher low. If I was paying attention, I wasn't in the moment. If I was paying attention, I probably would have taken this. Probably would have taken that long right there. Maybe we'll get filled. Maybe we'll get filled. Because my target profit would be actually a little bit above the high of the day. It would be 4.5 points from here. So it would be 1825. 1825 would be my target. All right, and there it goes. There it goes. Yeah, so nice higher low right there. Or at least nice looking. Look-alike to a higher low. All right, so what is our trend like? Something like this, probably. Man, I wish I took that. Why didn't I? Why didn't I take that? Yeah, now we're making our first strong move for the day. Definitely making our first strong move. We missed it. We missed it. Fuck. Bill, how are you doing, man? How'd that FOMC day treat you? How was that FOMC day, my man? Wanted to take that trade. I wasn't paying attention. I was going back to the price action of yesterday. Oh man, you blew the PA. It's all good. It's all good. It happens. It happens. Did you only have one PA going, or you had more than one? You had multiple. I really wanted to take this. Because even in these strong trend days, I mean, you got to take advantage of the setup you get. Got you. You had one. All right. I mean, it happens. Back to the drawing board. Back to the drawing board. It's all good. Always a learning experience. Every time I've blown an account, it's always a learning experience. You never want it to happen. You never expect it, but it happens. It happens. Many times. So have I. So have I. Believe me. I know the pain. All right. So I think this is pretty accurate. of a trend channel. I mean, we got several touches on the bottom, and now the midline, we basically bounced exactly at the midline. So we got news coming out in about a minute. So we'll see how prices react to the news. But man, we missed our trade for the day. So this would have been a 2.5 point risk. Target would have been 4.5 points. Would have been a nice trade to start the day. Leg down, break, new low. Not quite a higher low, but double bottom. And nice strong push. Okay, and here's the news. Here's the news. So got this trend channel down. Let's respect that. Did just get a slight break. Let's see if we get down below the EMA and maybe get another touch at this this trend channel. Because here, as much as I'd like to just take a nice signal bar off the EMA, it's only a first entry long, and we only had one leg down. So hopefully we can get one more leg down. Is our trend like this? Nah. We get rid of this. Just trying to see visually what looks most likely. Alright, but before we do that, we gotta pay attention to what's going on. We gotta pay attention to the current price action, so we don't want to miss another trade opportunity. Maybe just something like this, where it's a spike up here. Now we're in some less steep of a channel. Okay, so we had this move down, break. Here's our second leg. Ideally, we'd push back above the EMA here, and then maybe get a higher low. Similar to this setup back here that we missed. But right now, we're getting a pretty significant strong push below the EMA. So don't just want to ignore this move down. It's possible that we're even starting a potential downtrend like this. Because if we just get rid of all these drawings, like I said, visually, it doesn't look like an incredibly strong uptrend. Doesn't mean it's not. It's just like hard to pinpoint what the right trend is. Maybe something like this. I don't know. At this point, we definitely have to respect the move down, because now, yeah, look at this. We got to respect it. We got to respect it. So it's definitely possible we're just in a range and might get down to 5,300. But here's our second entry long now. we'll see what prices do. And we're still pushing down. We're still trying to go down. So also, let's see if this is 2 legs up here. So 1 leg, let's call it 1 leg here. Slight break, 2 legs up. Basically this move looks like 1 leg up, slight break, 2 legs up. So it might be that it was just, this is the trend, break, attempt a new high, and then another 2 legs up before reversing. I don't know. Just as golfers say, play it as it lies, I'm gonna play the prices as they lie. Whatever the prices say, I'll take a trade based on that. But definitely, it's possible that we're having just a range. Never doubt the range. Never doubt the possibilities of a range. So we'll see if we get back down here. I mean, it would make sense logically just to test the 5,300 level, psychological level, one more time before doing whatever we're gonna do if we keep pushing higher. All right, now it's a possibility that we're gonna get a second entry short. First, second entry short, 1 leg up, 2 legs up, off our potential trend channel. Let's see. All right, and we're in the trade. Should we have waited for a double trap though? Oh my God. Let's see. Can we push lower? Come on. It's a low risk, so it's 1 3/4 point risk. 3 3/4 point target profit, but it's off this trend channel. 2 legs back. I mean, we didn't quite get to the EMA. I mean, visually, does look like we're strongly moving down. Let's see if we can get that push. All right, still holding. Let's see. It is getting a little stacked now. Let's see if we can have one more push. This was probably the trade to take. This is the double trap. So first, second entry short. Looked like it was going to fail. Now maybe we'll get that push down. Kind of a third attempt to go short. But regardless, I think prices need to come down at least to 0850, the low of this move. Let's go. Come on. Stop playing with us. All right, let's see. Let's see. It is starting to get a little stacked, though. I'm leaning towards prices going lower, but it's getting a little stacked. But I like the fact that the EMA held as well. But if this is a range, we're bouncing right at the midline. Will we hold one more time? Are you gonna hold one more time and survive this? Let's see. Let's see. Come on. I don't know. I don't know. All right, it's holding for now. Holding for now on dear life. 4 bars with a matching high. It is very stacked. So, we'll see. We'll see, man. We're in it. Are we going to get the push lower? Are we going to get the push lower? Or are we going to get trapped? And we got trapped. Oh, man. Oh, man. All right, so took the trade a little far away from the EMA. Shouldn't have taken that, honestly. Those are very risky when it's hovering right below or right above or right below the EMA. Let's see. Maybe we'll get a failed breakout here. Come on, man. Are you joking me? Especially after missing that trade to start the day. Could have caught that nice move. All right, I'm going to go short here again if we can get filled. This is the trade I wanted to take. Will we get filled? Will we get filled? All right, we got trapped again. Are you joking me? You joking me? Oh my goodness. All right, so 2 back-to-back losses. I do like those setups. I mean, the first one, looking back, it's always risky hovering with a little space to the EMA. This one I liked as a quick little failed breakout. Still looking for a new low this move. But I got my 2 losses for the day, so I'm going to step out. And, yeah. We'll be back tomorrow. But it is what it is, guys. All right.